Hi kids, how are you all? I hope you all must be fine, right? So today we are going to read for class 2 science olympiad. And in class 2 science olympiad, which portion we are going to discuss? We are going to discuss the previous year questions of SOF NSO level 1 exam. Okay? So in our previous session, we have already discussed some questions, and in our today's session, we are going to discuss some more questions. So, are you all ready for it? Yes. So, let's get started. Our first question, select the incorrect statement regarding the given figure. Okay. So, options are A, R helps us to jump and clap. B, P helps us to differentiate between good and bad smell. C, Q helps us to move our head. D, both B and C. So, first of all, we need to know what are these P, Q and R. So, we can clearly see that what is P? P is the nose. And what is Q? Q is our neck. And R is our leg. Right? Yes. So, we have to find out the incorrect statement. Coming to first option, R helps us to jump and clap. R, that is the leg. Yes, leg helps us to jump, but leg does not help us to clap. Right? We clap with our hands, with our palms. So this statement is incorrect. Coming to the next option, P helps us to differentiate between good and bad smell. Yes, nose helps us to differentiate between good and bad smell. So this one is correct. Then Q helps us to move our head. Q, that is the neck. Yes, neck helps us to move our head, right? So this one is also correct. And what is the incorrect statement? Then it is the option A. Got it? Coming to the next question, refer to the given conversation between four friends and find out the one who is correct. Options are A. Ajay. Rishi is my niece. He is the only son of my sister. B. I love talking to my aunt Mrs. Sharma. She is the sister of my grandmother. C. Ananya. My daughter has a cousin who is the son of my uncle. D. Rati, my friend has sisters only, thus his children do not have any real uncle. So we have to find out the correct statement. Okay. So what Ajay is saying, Rishi is my niece. He is the only son of my sister. So niece is the it could be the daughter of his sister. Okay, it is not niece. So this one is incorrect. Then Sumit, I love talking to my aunt Mrs. Sharma. She is the sister of my grandmother. No, we do not call sister of grandmother as aunt. Okay, so this one is incorrect. My daughter has a cousin who is the son of my uncle. No, son of my uncle, he would be my cousin, not my daughter's cousin. Okay, so he would be, we can say uncle of my daughter. So this one is also incorrect. My friend has sisters only, thus his children do not have any real uncle. This one is correct. Okay, because if only sisters are there, then there will be aunties only, right? No real uncle. So correct statement is option D. Coming to the next question, which of the following statement about the seed is true? Options are A, it is a living thing and a living thing as it can grow into a seedling. Okay, so this one is correct. Seed is a living thing because it can grow into a seedling, then it can grow into a plant, right? Option B, it dies when the mango fruit is plucked and eaten. No, when we pluck the mango fruit and it is eaten, seed never dies. So this one is incorrect. It is not a living thing as it does not respond to changes in surrounding. No, it is wrong. It will respond to change in surrounding slowly. Okay, and here both A and C. Okay, so which one is true? It is the option A. Coming to the next question, Aheli is residing in a hilly area where snowfall is common. Which of the following would be Aheli's house? So four options are there and four different type of houses are there, right? So we have to find out in hilly area where more snowfall is there, that is snowfall is common. So which type of house the people in that area prefer. Okay, so the people in that area, they prefer this type of houses, that is with slanting roof, so that there will be no deposition of snow on the roof. Okay, so correct answer is option A. Coming to the next question, refer to the given box. Select the option that correctly identifies occupation of Mukesh. Mukesh is a dash. He says, what are these? These are vegetables, right? Options are A, blacksmith, B, tailor, C, chemist, D, greengrocer. So, can you tell me who sells greengrocer? If you know the answer, you can write in the comment section. Okay. So, yes, greengrocer tolls the, greengrocer sells, that is the vegetables, right? So correct answer is option B, that is greengrocer. Coming to the next question, the object shown in the given box can be found in which of these rooms of the house? So first one is the kettle and the second one is the mixture, right? Mixture grinder. And four options are there. What are the options? In first option, it can be, it is seen like a bathroom. Then the second one, it is a kitchen. The third one, it is the bedroom. Yes. And what is the fourth one? It is the living room. Right. So in which room we find these things? We find these things in kitchen. Right. So correct answer is option B. Coming to the next question. Select the option in which the sequence of planets based on their distance from the sun nearest to farthest is correct. Options are A, Jupiter, Uranus, Mars, B, Earth, Venus, Mars, C, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, D, Neptune, Saturn, Uranus. Okay. So, can you tell me which one is the correct answer? If we arrange them in the sequence of their distance from the sun, that is from nearest to the farthest one, then the correct answer is option C. First come Mars, then Jupiter, then Saturn. Got it? Coming to the next question. Yes, you can see here Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune and Pluto. Right? So, excuse me. So, this is the sequence of the planet as the distance. Okay, as per the distance from the sun. Got it, everyone? Coming to the next question. Refer to the given classification table. Select the correct statement regarding it. Things, group 1, trolley, magnet, group 2, monkey, corals. Options are A fish should be placed in group 1, B, a pearl oyster should be placed in group 2, C, a tree should be placed in group 1, D, a newspaper should be placed in group 2. Okay, so here first we need to know on what basis we have classified this into group 1 and group 2. In group 1, trolley and magnet is there. So basically these are non-living things, right? And in group 2, monkey and corals are there. So these are living things. Yes. So accordingly we have to put it. So as per the given option, option B will be the correct one because the pearl oyster, that is a living thing. Yes, we can put it in group 2. Rest other options are incorrect. Right? Yes. Coming to the next question. If your friend gets hurt while playing, you should dash. Options are A, start crying, B, run away, C, put sand on the wound, D, call an adult. So what we all means used to children, you usually play, right? So if your friend gets hurt, then what should you do? Can you tell me? Yes. So at that time, we should not start cry. We should not run away. We should help him or her. Right? We should not put sand on the wound. It will increase the infection. So we should call an adult. That is the option D. Coming to the next question. Study the given flow chart carefully. Select the option that correctly matches the characteristic W, X, Y and Z to the fruit that can be placed with it. Okay, so fruits round, one seed, many seed, oval, one seed, many seed. Options are A, W, pomegranate, B, X, peach, C. Y. Avocado. D. Jet jelly. So we have to find the correct match here. So correct match that will be here Y. Avocado, because it is oval in shape and it is containing only one seed. So correct answer is option C. Rest are not correct. Okay. Coming to the next question, which of the following festivals is associated with Dandiya and Garba? Options are A. Gurpurab, B. Navratri, C. Christmas, D. Pongal. So it is a very easy question, right? So which festival is associated with Dandiya and Garba? It is the Navratri. So option B is the correct answer. Coming to the next question, the given diagram shows shadows of a pole at different times on a sunny day. In diagram A, the pole casts the shadow at 11 am. Predict at what time the pole will cast the shadow shown in the diagram B. Okay. And the options are A 9 am, B 12 noon, C 2 pm, D 4 pm. Okay. So we can see here directions are there, east, west, north and south. So east is here in the right hand side. So sun is here. That's why the shadow is in this side. So if it will be in these sides, for that the sun has to go to the opposite side. Opposite side means that will be in the afternoon. Okay. So in the afternoon we have two options, this 2 p.m. and this 4 p.m. Okay. So see, if it is 2 p.m. the sun will be little in the with little distance from our head. Okay. So at that time the shadow its length will be less. But when the sun will be little far from us, at that time the length of the shadow will increase. So if here we can see the length of shadow is more, that means it will be late afternoon. Okay, towards evening. So it would be option D, that is 4 p.m. Got it everyone? Coming to the next question, which of the following cannot be eggs? What is eggs? Seed and spice. Options are A. Coriander, B. Cardamom, C. Clove, D. Mustard. Okay, so we have to find out which of the following cannot be eggs. That means it is a seed and we use it as spice. So yes, coriander is a seed and we use it as spice. Cardamom is also a seed, but clove is not a seed. Clove is the bud. Mustard, yes, mustard is also a seed and we use it in spices. So correct answer is option C. Coming to the next question, select the odd one out among the following. Options are A, that is the auto rickshaw, B, car, C, train, D, bus. So which car can be the odd one out? Can you take me? If you know the answer, you can write in the comment section. Okay. So first thing, on which basis we will find the odd one out. Okay. So this auto rickshaw, car, bus, they run on the road. But for this train does not run on the road. For that we need a special track, that is the railway track, right? So here option C, that is the train, it will be the odd one. Got it everyone? Coming to the next question, which of the following is or are wild animals? So four options are there. That is in one, that is sheep. Sorry, three options are there. One is sheep, two is goat, and three, that is a rhino. Options are A 1 and 2 only, B 3 only, C 2 and 3 only, D 2 only. Then yes, everyone must be knowing which of the following is wild animal, that is these three, right? So correct answer is option B, that is 3 only. Got it everyone? So this much for today's session. Let's meet you in the next session. Till then, read mindfully, practice all the questions properly. Okay. So meet you soon. Bye bye everyone.